In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to throttle image sizes in WordPress, ensuring your website runs smoothly and efficiently. Now, let's get started. First, we need to install and activate a plugin called Imsanity. It's designed specifically to help you manage your image sizes without compromising quality. So, head into your WordPress dashboard. You'll find it on your website's backend. From there, look for the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Hover over it, and when the submenu pops up, click on Add New. This will take you to the WordPress plugin directory, a vast library where you can find thousands of useful plugins. Next, use the search bar on the top right to find Imsanity. Just type in Imsanity and hit Enter. You should see it appear at the top of the search results list. Once you've located it, the next step is simple. Click Install Now. You'll see a button appear in place of the Install Now option. It will now say Activate. Click Activate to turn the plugin on. With Imsanity activated, let's configure its settings to optimize your image upload process. To do this, navigate to the Settings section in your WordPress dashboard. In the drop-down menu, you'll find the option for Imsanity. Click it, and you'll be taken to the Plugins Settings page. Here, you can fine-tune the plugin to best suit your needs and preferences. Once on the Settings page, you'll see options to set maximum width, height, and quality for images uploaded to your site. This is critical, because uploading a vast, oversized image can slow down your site significantly. So, deciding on limits that work with your website's design is important. Generally, setting the maximum width and height to accommodate your theme's requirements is a good starting point. For instance, a maximum width and height of 2048 pixels might be reasonable for a blog where images take center stage, but you can adjust these settings according to your specific needs for faster loading times. Moreover, you can specify the JPG image compression quality as well. A lower setting means more file compression, which can reduce the file size, speeding up loading times. However, be cautious not to go too low, as this can degrade image quality. A setting between 80 to 90 usually offers a good balance between image quality and size. Finally, once you've set your preferred configuration, don't forget to save the changes. It's as simple as scrolling down and clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. And there you have it. Your WordPress site is now better equipped to handle image uploads efficiently, ensuring faster load times for your visitors without sacrificing quality. Remember, optimizing your website is an ongoing process, and managing image sizes is just one part of that journey. Thanks for tuning in, and happy optimizing!